Zaru's Forest Adventure. Zaru was a little girl with big eyes and a big smile. She had a soft, fluffy cat named Miyu. One night, Zaru hugged Miyu and slept. Suddenly, they were flying in the sky. Whoosh! They landed in a big green forest full of tall trees. Birds chirped, butterflies danced. Zaru clapped her hands. She saw a bunny hopping by and waved hello. Miyu chased a squirrel, but it was too fast. Zaru found a sparkling stream. She dipped her toes. "Look, Miyu," she said, "tiny fishes." Then they saw a rainbow over the trees. Zaru and Miyu climbed a small hill to see better. On top, they found a cozy treehouse. Inside, there were cookies and warm milk, just for them. They sat together, eating and giggling. Soon the sun began to set. The sky turned pink. Zaru yawned. Miyu purred. It was time to go. They flew back home through the stars. Zaru opened her eyes. She was in bed. It was just a dream, or was it? Thank you.